Alright, this is going to be a reconstruction of my 6.99 PB single. This is my first sub 7, and it was 61 turns, so 8.73 TPS, which is really nice. So yeah, let's get into the scramble. Alright, so here's the scramble. And the first thing I saw was a 2-move white cross, which is really nice and allows me to easily see my first pair, which will be the green and orange pair. So I know that when I solve the cross with R prime F, this green-orange edge will come here and its corner will not be affected. So what I can do is R prime F, and then to fix the cross I can do a D and a U at the same time to position this corner here to set up to solve this first pair. Like that. And then here I didn't really see much, so I rotated to put this solve thing in the back so I could see more empty slots. And the first thing I saw was actually this, so I just took it out and then solved it in the back normally. And then the next pair I saw was these two, so I solved that. And as I was doing that, I saw these two come up and position themselves really nice, so I went straight into that, and yeah, that was F2L done. OLL, just the standard OLL, and then PLL is a J-perm, and I know in J-perm this block in the front doesn't move, so I knew the EUF would be a U prime. Like that. So the entire solve only had one rotation, which was really nice for my F2L look ahead, as well as having an easy cross, which allowed me to see into my first pair. So yeah, I'm really happy with this solve, and hopefully I can get something better pretty soon.